Blue Ocean Strategy by Chan Kim and Renée Mauborgne introduces a revolutionary approach to business strategy that challenges the traditional competitive landscape. The authors propose that the key to success lies in creating blue oceans, which are untapped markets characterized by innovation and unique value propositions. By pursuing blue oceans, companies can break away from the constraints of competition and unlock new avenues of growth and profitability. The authors begin by highlighting the limitations of traditional business strategies that focus on competing in existing markets, red oceans. They argue that in red oceans, companies often engage in price wars, imitate competitors, and struggle to differentiate themselves. This leads to a downward spiral of diminishing profits and innovation. To counter this, the authors advocate for blue ocean strategy, which involves reconstructing market boundaries to create new demand. They introduce the 4 actions framework, which guides companies to simultaneously eliminate, reduce, raise, and create factors that define industry standards. By strategically redefining these factors, companies can offer a value proposition that is distinct and appealing to a broader audience. The 6 Paths framework is another critical tool in the blue ocean strategy. It encourages companies to explore unconventional angles for innovation, including looking across industries, redefining market boundaries, focusing on complementary products and services, questioning established functional assumptions, exploring emotional and experiential factors, and considering time and sequence. The book offers numerous real-world examples to illustrate the principles of blue ocean strategy. One such example is Cirque du Soleil, which revolutionized the circus industry by eliminating animal acts, reducing show length, raising artistic and theatrical elements, and creating a completely new entertainment experience. Another example is Yellowtail, a wine brand that defied industry conventions, making wine more accessible and appealing to a wider consumer base. The authors stress that blue ocean strategy is applicable to both new entrants and established players. They emphasize that innovation is a key driver of blue ocean creation, and companies can disrupt markets by challenging industry norms and offering fresh value propositions. Moreover, the authors highlight the role of execution in turning blue ocean ideas into reality, emphasizing the need for alignment, motivation, and leadership. In conclusion, Blue Ocean Strategy provides a compelling framework for companies to rethink their approach to competition and innovation. By creating blue oceans and offering unparalleled value to customers, businesses can escape the confines of red oceans and embark on a journey of unprecedented growth and success.